Enter form name and click on Add button to add new form. Drag table control, drop it into main section. Click on table name to open properties of table. Enter number of rows to add more rows. Drag control and drop it into cell you want. If it's label, add value in inner value. The control dropped into next cell to label, it will get name automatically. Add more controls by just drag and drop. Properties window have multiple options for customization. Add more controls by just drag and drop. To add options to radio box, click on small add button next to possible values. Enter option value and click plus button, repeat to add more options. Select default value from additional attribute drop down. Enter default value. You can add rows by clicking on any control and select row below option from insert drop down and click insert. Select minimum value, enter value. Select maximum value, enter value. Select incremental value, enter value. Click Preview button. You can save the form by clicking Save button on top bar. Click on Show Create App Wizard button to start app creation. Enter name of app and all other appropriate details. Select app group you want. Click on left arrow button to select. Select icon file from list or upload new by clicking Upload button. Then click on Create App button to create app. Click OK to create app. Click Save App button. Click OK. Click on app icon to start the application. Click Next. Fill employee details. Click Add button to add record. You see added record message. To update record, click on Edit button of record you want to update. Click on Update button. To remove record, click on Edit button of record you want remove. Click on Remove button, then click OK. You can see Table in Database. You can see Record in Database.